Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tasha on Demand. Today is my weekly check-in, weight loss. I want to talk about what I experienced this week with. The box is a little beat up. Can you see it? With ZEPBOUND. Okay, so this is my last dosage. I have 4. I haven't took this week's. So this is my 3-week update. Let me tell you what I've been experiencing. No more inflammation. So my feet are not swelling anymore. Even after I've sat down for a long time. This week I only went to the gym one time because I had a lot of events for work. I'm currently at work now and I just came back from an event. So I'm kind of late on my dosage and I got a little bit hungry, I know I've been seeing a lot of people on social media saying that day before their weekly injection, they get really hungry. I wasn't hungry yesterday, but today, I guess right at that 7-day mark, I got a little hungry and I ate. I'm spilling stuff. I ate 4 of these. So I ate 1 in the car coming from the event. They were giving away like hot dogs, cookies, snacks. So I figured this would be the safest thing. It's so good. It was so good. So I had 1 of these, and then when I got back to the office, I had 3 more, and I'm actually feeling pretty, satisfied. I'm not full, but I'm satisfied. I'm no longer hungry. But I couldn't take my injections because I had to come in the office and get some things done before the end of the workday. Like I said, it's about 3:30 now. So as soon as I'm done recording, I'm going to take this last dosage. I do have more on the way. I just received a notification that my next month supply is coming in. So let's just say no one knows what it looked like because I never opened a box on camera. It comes with a whole bunch of, and it's just this. I'm going to take this full vial. It is 2.5 milligrams, 0.5 mLs. So this is like a full syringe. Some people take, I've heard people say they're taking up to 7 milligrams. I'm not quite there because I've lost right at about 15 pounds in a matter of 3 weeks. So I don't think I'm ready to up my dosage yet. So I'm going to stay at the 2.5. Even if the doctor prescribed more, I'm going to stay here because my tolerance level, I don't want to lose too much weight too fast. Now, here's what I think a lot of this 15 pounds is just inflammation. Like I noticed that my pants just don't fit as tight as around my waist. And like I showed you guys last week, that dress that I had on, I could not fit it that comfortably. A year ago, I could not fit it comfortably. It was tight. If you are new to my channel, my name is Latasha. I am 49. I'm not menopause. I am peri. So that means that I'm not having a period every month. But here's what I can tell you. Within these 3 weeks, it did cause my period to come on. I think I had a period, okay? So I don't know if it was that or what's going on. I do know that they're researching this trizipatide more thoroughly. The more we're taking it, the more they're learning the benefits to this medication and how it is helping people like myself struggle. So I'm an avid person. I go to the gym quite often. I'm very active. I even have a walking pad in my office. So if for some reason I'm too busy, I can't go to the actual gym, I can go in there and knock out 2 to 3 miles easily. But I still struggled with weight loss. Like the weight was just not coming off. So I decided to do this. I was on the fence for a long time because I talked to my doctor about it in January, I believe it was. No, I talked to my doctor about this over a year ago in June. And I was just telling her I don't feel like myself. And I didn't know about menopause. I had to learn it on my own. I probably mentioned this in another video for those, if this is your third video watching, or maybe the fourth, because I did one before I started. So I think this is like my fourth video on trizepatide. I did not know when people usually go into menopause. That's just not something that's been discussed in my family with women. And so I didn't know. I just kind of figured it out. And you guys, young ladies, if you're watching this, your body is going to feel like someone else's body when you start going through it. Hormones. I don't really suffer from any hot flashes. Again, I've been actively going to the gym for the last like 11 years. Like, my gym membership started in 2014. And the only time that I had a break is when we were all during the pandemic, is when I wasn't going to the gym because we weren't allowed to go to the gym. But other than that, like, I lift weights, I go do the elliptical, I do the treadmill, like I'm active in there. And I just felt frustrated. I feel like, what is going on? Well, this has helped me a lot. Even my mood. I wasn't a heavy eater anyway, you guys. So let me be honest, because all of our all of our experiences with this is going to be different because it's based off your lifestyle prior. I wasn't a heavy eater because I'd already trained myself not to eat so much because I wasn't losing the weight. So some days I guess just kind of have to eat, if you know what I mean. I could go a day or two without eating, but I have fasted before. I have fasted up to 15 days just to do a detox and cleanse, but that's been so many years ago. And I'm not up for it because I don't think that I need to detox. Um, but that is, I hope I'm not rambling. I hope this information is going to be useful for somebody. Um, yeah, so what else? What else? I think that's it. That's my dosage. I don't know if I mentioned that in any other video, that I take 2.5 milligrams, which probably is the lowest dosage when getting on this particular medication. Yeah, so I kind of have to force myself to eat some days, or because I really don't have an appetite. And I do believe that's what this does. It actually helps with the receptors in your brain, so you will know when to stop eating. I used to overeat a lot of snack food like peanuts and stuff like that, but now I just don't have a taste for it. Like, you don't have a taste for it. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about. So I went to the gym once. I'll show you that. I think I did like 3 miles, and I did some weight training. And the rest of the days, I've just been actively, doing work here at the office, out with events, just everyday activity. I'm not the type of person that sit around at all. I'm very active. I'm midlife, so there's no need for me to sit around. I'm still up, moving around, working and doing everything. Um, I haven't been craving water like I used to. I used to drink a lot more water, so hopefully I can kind of keep, reminding myself to drink water, because I literally can go hours without intaking water or food. That's just how this works, I guess. So I have to remind myself to drink water, if nothing else, to stay hydrated. And I heard some people say that they have like constipation issues. So I'm going to tell you what I've been taking to combat that. I have not had any weeks or days where I could not have a bowel movement, because I've always taken this particular product. And I'm going to go and get it here in a moment and show you guys. And the link will be below the video where you can purchase this. It will So it works really, really well with cleansing your colon. So it is a premium slim coffee. Now, this is something that I was drinking before I even started taking trizipatide or ZEPBOUND. So I still drink it in the morning. So in the morning I take a cup of coffee. Excuse my Starbucks coffee, it's pilling, but my cup, but it still works. So I don't care because it's pilling. But I fill this up with coffee, iced coffee, and I put sugar-free creamer, and I put 2 sachets of this. Stir it up. I don't measure my creamer. I like my coffee really, really creamy, like, creamy, and drink it. And usually it don't kick in until I eat something. So when I eat something, then I just have to go to the restroom. You don't have to take these every day. 18 come in the pack. Again, it's all natural. It's an instant coffee. It's made with green coffee extracts. It actually also helps with cleansing out any type of like parasites and stuff if you have backup. So this is a great way to cleanse yourself during this journey, your ZEPBOUND trizipatide journey, without having to take like laxatives or more chemical based. It's very affordable. Again, the link will be below the video for this. What else? So let's just go ahead and do the voiceover. I want to show you. I think I missed maybe one day of getting on the scale, and I'm now at the point of documenting and getting on the scale just so I can show you guys. And just like last week, I had a day where I went down, then went back up, and then went back down. I don't know why. I do not know why. I didn't binge. I didn't eat anything unusual or out of the ordinary for my regular diet. Yeah, so I'm just trying to rack my brain to see if there's anything else I wanted to tell you guys, because I didn't script this. This is just me getting ready to take. Oh yeah, I do keep this in the refrigerator because when they ship it in on ice, and I don't remember if I put that part in the first video. But when I get the next shipment and I open it, I will show you guys how it's packed, just in case you want to see that. But yeah, it's been we have a refrigerator here in the office, so I just keep it up here because I spend a lot of time here. So stay tuned for the voiceover, me showing you my fitness app and showing you how my weight fluctuate. And so at this point, I have lost 15 pounds, and this week I lost 5.4 pounds according to the scale. I did weigh myself this morning. I try to weigh myself at the same time every day. You'll notice that on the app. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I talk about weight loss. I talk about hair. I talk about makeup. I talk about extra income. It's just my life. So that's why it's called Tasha On Demand TV. I share everything. Purses, unboxing, my finds, everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Is the screen share. If I can learn how to work my own phone. Okay, so here is what I did today. So I walked 1,082 steps, about a little under a mile, and then let's click on the sessions. Not Tuesday, I went to the mall, I went to the gym and did a little over 3 miles. It was just at a regular pace, because if you notice, my heart rate is 114, and then I did do some strength training I was trying to hit 20 minutes, but I didn't. But my heart rate is 126 BPM. So that just go to show you that you guys, you can lift weights and your heart rate can be faster than walking. Oh no, I just closed the app. Okay, so let's go over here and get this app again. And let's click on my scale, and that's what I am today. So I started out at the 317 and now it is 302. And when did this week start? I think it was the 12th. Okay. So my last time I did my video and weigh in with you guys was on the 12th. So I was 307, and then let's go to the 13th. Nothing really changed. I actually went up an ounce. And then on the 14th, I went down. The 16th, I went down to 303. And the 17th, I went down. But look at the 18th. I want you to look at the 18th. I went back up 2 pounds. Okay. Again, nothing really changed. That's why I mentioned it, that I really haven't changed anything. But the way the scale jumped like that was interesting. And then I got on there today and I'm back down to the 203. I don't know why I fluctuate. I try not to weigh myself with nothing. I don't drink any water. I do this before I drink my coffee so I can get an accurate weight. So as of today, right now, it is, if you calculate the ounces and everything, I think it's 15 pounds and like 9 ounces. No, 14 pounds and like 9 ounces. So to round it up, it's been 15 pounds and 3 weeks. So I just took my 4th dosage of trizepatide, ZEPBOUND, and I will give you my full month weigh next Friday on the 26th. Let me make sure. The 26th. I apologize for the long videos. I just really want to be detailed and be transparent for those.